So now when we run this welcome.jsp, right?
500. Resource not found. Welcome.
Where is parameter channel exporting? So it's exporting something.
Line number 3. Maybe the percent sign thing. But
Here we can we have to close the JSP forward before we didn't close the one.
mm, giving at line number 2 expecting JSP colon param standard.
Now number 12.
So parameter it's saying expecting JSP colon param.
Before it's mandatory to send some parameter.
It's basically
Just
giving error here.
just to paste the one which I pinged you.
You mean right here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It is redirected to this one. It's forwarded to this one.
So what is this basically?
Actually, we are doing forwarding, right? What we are doing is we are forwarding the
Also,
welcome.jsp.
it's basically forwarding this parameter, name parameter.
No, we are just forwarding. Suppose we have kept it as a simple, right? For example, we are having some if conditions and all, right? Let's say if suppose male, if gender is male, previously I validated, right? If gender is male, I want to
Mm-hmm.
forward it this to this URL. If gender is this one, I want to forward it to this URL. Like this, we can have a condition and we do forward here normally. Okay, getting?
Okay. So basically whatever this attribute and value is will be forwarded
Yeah,
here.
yeah. That one will forward to here. We can get it.
So
Just get it.
basically I can say this here basically.
Yeah, yeah. Not like that. Use something like request or get parameter we have used in hello world.jsp, right?
What is the request dot?
No, in servlet or scripted tag. Use scripted tag
This right?
equal to percentage equal to we have used.
Like this?
Yeah, correct. Now request dot get parameter of
Or what would it go here?
request dot get parameter or attribute. Okay.
No, it's giving error. See?
What error it's saying? Just to remove that semicolon. You have to give it in double quotes, right? Name, I think, because it's don't know what it names. Okay. Now just give me the controller.
Okay.
Because I said this one is just to print that one. This is not a statement. If this is we can use semicolon. Okay. But here we are going to just do printing, right?
Hmm. So I'm just little confused. Here,
Here welcome to
this is
student.
basically for expression tag. Oh, okay, okay. So expressions goes here.
Yeah, yes, correct.
This is basically okay. So when you pass something to this page to get that, I have to use request.get parameter.
Yeah, correct.
Mhm. Did we do the same thing here also? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Here we use a semicolon at the end. But there if you give it is showing some error.
What's that?
Here we have used a semicolon at the end of the line, right? But if you use
Uh-huh.
the semicolon there, it is giving us some compile error.
Yeah, because here we use scriptlet, right? And we assigned a variable and assign it to it.
Yes, correct, correct.
Oh, so we can do the same thing here then, but then we have to assign it again, right?
Sorry. Yeah, yeah, we have to assign it and we are using that one, right? So only we are assigning and using it. Here you are printing reading line number 23 to 23.
Yeah, right. Yep. So here also we can do basically same thing. If
Yeah,
I don't want to do this, I can do this.
yeah, yeah, yes. Hello.
Just okay, because I put it in a quotes. Okay, different ways of doing. Okay.
Now we will see some input action as well. Yeah,
So what do we call these things? The forward and all that
these are all action.
action.
Yeah, actions in JSP.
Okay.
Now include, right? Include is something like we are going to include some other page in our page. Okay, we are going to include some other page, some static page. Okay, this is going to be static always. Okay, so to avoid the code in our JSP page, what we are going to do is we are going to create one JSP and we are going to have our content there, and we are going to use it in our JSP.
Okay.
For example, normally JSP page they will keep name small and sharp only. To understand better, you have to keep this. Else we can get the time in calendar as well.
You're gonna be plus, right? Right here.
Yeah, we have to keep plus.
Contact name.
So it has to take it by own. we are going to include that one in our JSP page.
Okay.
So it is coming with a
Hmm.
header.
Yep.
Allow to .jsp, we have included .jsp.
Hmm.
Okay, you are getting Saram, what I am trying to explain or
Yeah, I understood this. Yeah, it's just basically you included that page, right? So it executed that first.
yes, correct. We have included the JSP here in our JSP so that that is going to be static. Okay, in real time
Hmm.
we will develop so many applications in each page we no need to use a header. Okay,
Right.
so that we will go with this include that.
So it basically merged two pages, right, in the sequence.
Yes, correct. And we will see one sample application for server and we will see how to migrate server with JSP, how to process in between the
Okay. Well, Mohammed, quick question. These GSP pages, when we run them on a Tomcat server, the server compiles these pages or they stay as a JSP page only?
no, no, it compiles and converted into servlet.
It converts them into servlet.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, but we don't have to compile it, right? I mean,
No,
we
no, we
don't do
don't need,
JavaScript to that.
no, no, we don't need real time and all, they will use some Maven build, okay?
Hmm.
In Maven build, at the time, during that time, it will get compilations.
Hmm.
Okay, so we will have one JSP class first. To initialize with that, we have to add something in web.xml. I will ping you, just can you paste it there.
Okay. Pasted in a web
Web,
content
no, no, open web.xml.
or in the web.xml and put it in
Yeah,
web.xml.
yes. Open, click on
How do you
source,
see that?
click on source, below you see footer, right, design and source here. Below welcome file list, just paste on that one.
What do we call web.xml? Some descriptor, right? Deployment descriptor.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So you have some knowledge or just item. So now we
What's that,
have,
Mama?
no, you have knowledge on web.xml or you read just yesterday or something.
No, no, no. I used to be a build engineer, right? Long time ago. I we used to check this in into Subversion and all add all those servlet mapping and stuff. I have a little bit idea, not a lot.
Okay. And we have created a web.xml and then either way source folder, right, and Java resources. Here we can have our Java classes, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I will share you the code, just paste it and we'll see how it is working.
Okay. This will stay here.
Yeah, in the package. No, no, that should not come there.
Uh,
That one should be studying web.xml. And whatever the code I sent you now, you didn't got it.
what's that?
Exactly. Either you can just replace the entire class.
Oh, you have a class here. Oh, this is class hello world. Okay, never mind. It requires static somewhere.
No, no, I think class name is different from file name.
Oh, the uppercase hello and lowercase hello, right?
File name says snippet.java, right?
Now it's okay, right? The package is hello world.
No, no, not like that.
Class
I
name.
said the file name snippet.java. File name is snippet.java.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, okay, got it.
But the class name should be XA caps only.
Oh, should I just refactor that because in the deployment descriptor you were redirecting to hello, right?
I will change the file
We'll
name.
try.
Here I am saying snippet.java. Change it here. No, snippet is
Rename
something.
here.
Rename that because snippet is something like it's pre taken by Eclipse. It's not our class. In refactor it.
Was uppercase W lower.
Yes.
Okay. Not found. Class not found. Path is okay.
We'll
The
try this
path.
again. Okay, now we are getting the output. Okay, when web.xml we configure like if this URL comes, go to this server class. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, getting server something?
Say that again, Mohammed.
In web.xml, okay, in web.xml we have configured like if this URL pattern comes, just go to the server class. We have configured this one in web.xml.
Hmm.
So if
So I'm just trying to understand this. It says servlet name and servlet mapping. So if servlet name is hello world, the path is this.
yeah,
And what does mapping means?
actually servlet name should be same in both servlet and servlet mapping. Okay, it is going to map these two. Okay, here we have given URL pattern. This is what we have triggered in from our application. For example, this
Hmm.
is what we trigger. Okay. So in hello world is there, right? This is what we trigger from here. So when in hello world comes, it will look for the servlet name and it will look for the servlet mapping. Servlet mapping for that one hello world there is a class. Okay, so it
Hmm.
is going for that class. This is the reference for these two.
Got
Servlet
it.
name is
So
going.
if I go in there and say like this,
Then your URL should be like this. Just delete one given two here.
so now I have to go here and say so references change. Basically now
Once again.
or maybe because it's cached.
Yeah, you have to restart the server
Oh, I
once.
know.
Now restart the server once. Now run it from first.
because there's nothing there in the servlet. It
Yeah,
doesn't know which one to start
now,
executing.
now you have to give
Now
the
you can
complete
do,
or yeah. Can modify here.
maybe,
Oh no, here.
now I was trying to add index.html. And so that means if I remove this, it will by default go.
Oh, by default, what we can give is just once again. Can't remove that. I want to go into by default means I think this should work.
Okay.
This also will not work by default. Even if you give any name, right, any URL pattern, at the time it will become. Can you able to run it? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. It's very slow for me. Just can you try in a all way? Just run it and
You asked me to run this, right? Oh
yeah.
yeah, see, okay.
Now it is taking by default, okay?
Okay. So this is so we can add more servlet and servlet mapping here, right?
Yeah, yes, correct.
So the best way to do it is this, like application launch page.
Yeah, that is welcome files. Just what we can, yeah, that is going to be there. Uh, just uncommented and have just uncommented and create one HTML or JSP page in web content.
Hmm.
Okay, in that case, they will do that. So now we have commented that one. That is our form, this one, right?
Yeah.
So it is same now, however, it is not existing. Now you are getting what we are doing?
Yeah, you were just trying to on a submit was taking action to go to hello world page, right?
Yeah, yes, from our JSP we are trying to contact with the J server.
So instead of going to JSP, we're going to the servlet.
Yeah,
Hello
correct.
world.
And one more thing is we are not given this what it is index.jsp. We are not running from index.jsp. Okay, we are just running from the root applications. Okay, it is taking by default. How it is taking is in web.xml we have mentioned what is that welcome file list. In welcome file list we have mentioned that of index.jsp.
Mm-hmm.
So only it is directly coming to index.jsp. And now from index.jsp while submitting we are expecting it to go to our servlet class.
Mm.
But now we are facing an issue like 404 error. When you see the URL, right? I will explain how I am going to fix that one also.
Yeah, because of the home directory, right? So
Yeah,
my web
yeah,
app is something that you can add as a.
yes, yes, exactly. So after submitting, the URL is just redirecting to hello world. So it is not looking for
Yeah,
that one. So we are calling
yeah.
hello
So we
world
have to change the
index.
root.
Hello world only we are calling that one.
Either we do it. So is it this is the right thing to do, or should we do it in web.xml where we
No,
can
no,
create a base like parameter
no, this is the right way.
application path?
There
Oh, this is
also,
the right way. Okay.
there also regarding the context param we have to create it. From the context
Mm-hmm.
param we look for. Normally we do like this only.
So now it will find from the root to this path.
I am not able to select. Right?
So do you want me to do?
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Again we are getting an error like
So we do the post.
post is not supported by this URL.
Maybe you wanna do it.
And we
You
try
wanna do
delete.
get.
Try get you can delete that one also it will take it. Okay. Now try to run this.
Say that again.
Yeah, now run that one.
Hmm.
Is it running?
Let me try to. Yeah, I did. Yeah. It also showing the web
Yeah.
parameters also.
Because of get it is showing. If we give post to this it should not show.
Yeah. Why didn't it do put? I don't understand.
Sorry?
I mean, why didn't it take post?
That's what I am also thinking right now. Once again, get caps only. Either way it should work.
Try put.
Sorry?
I was just saying, if
Actually,
you try put
no, just to give hello world.
y-
Go to helloworld.com.
right here, right?
No, helloworld.com. Here I think we are expecting only the do get method.
Uh, HTTP servlet request, HTTP response, servlet, do post.
We work for only get request. If you want to work it for post also, you have to. Okay. Now we'll try to run that one.
Hmm. Yep.
Now it is going. Okay, Varun. Now the thing is, you understood right? Why to post to get what's not working. Now the thing is, we have repeated the code right. In order to avoid these, we can have one service method here. You are duplicating the code right. Now our URL is working only for a do get. So we have added a do post. Now we want both. We want to access both the URL. In this case, we don't want the
Hmm.
duplicate code as well.
Right.
So we can just create one service method and inside do get and do post we can call that service method.
Hmm.
Can I do that one? Or?
So in this do service, you are basically trying to just see if this is post or get, right?
No, no, not like that.
And then do according.
No, we can't do like that because get comes it will go to do get method. Post comes it will go to do post method. Okay, now just to avoid the duplication of code. Okay, see now like in do get do post both having the same method, right? Same method content.
Yeah.
In order to avoid that one, what we are going to do is we have created one do service.
Oh, you're saying in there just called. Oh, okay, okay. I know. Okay. That's like a usability, right?
Yeah, yeah, yes. Just to avoid
So
the
we should basically,
just to
the
avoid the
best thing is to
duplication
put
of
it.
the code.
Is there an annotation for this or no?
Annotations at server level, I think we don't have. In the frameworks and all, we having more annotations for those things and all. There and all, you don't need to type this much of code and all. We'll take care the one. We will see that one in Spring. We will see more advantages in Spring.
Mm-hmm.
Now tomorrow, if possible, on time, it's permits you, right? Just try to get the form data. Okay, in the same page also you can index.jsp get just get some data and here try to save it to database.
Say that again, Mohammed.
So
Try to do what?
in index.jsp, right? We can have three fields: name and age and gender. Okay, those three things we can get it in Servlet, and here we can have a logic like it is going to store in database.
Hmm.
Okay, like those things are kind of stuff we can do that. Okay, sir. Let's go on that, and we will see tomorrow what all the things we can do with the servlet and JSP, and then we will move on to the.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
it will handle both get and post in this way.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, sir.
It's just one method. All right, Mohammed.
Okay, okay, sir. Bye.